Add condensed milk to the peanuts and be surprised by the end result. Let's start the recipe by adding 240 grams of roasted peanuts to a pan. We will also need 790 grams of condensed milk. And lastly, we will add 90 grams of powdered milk. Now I will mix very well until all the ingredients are completely mixed. I'm sure you'll love the end result of this recipe. Have you ever made a recipe with these ingredients? Tell me if you already knew a peanut dessert like this. Whenever I make it at my house, my kids ask to make more. After mixing well, we will add 50 grams of butter. Let's mix very well again. I'm sure you'll love it when you make it at home. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching me from, so I can send you a special hug in the next video. Now I'm going to turn on the stove and mix very well until it starts to thicken. Even those who don't like peanuts will love this recipe. Whenever I make it at home, everyone asks me to make it again, including people who don't like peanuts. A hug for Rana, from Brazil, and another hug for Mario, from Italy. Thanks for watching and sharing our amazing recipes. When it's ready, it should look like this as I'm showing it. Now I'm going to pour everything into a container previously greased with butter. And then I'm going to make the surface straight with the help of a spatula. Finally, we will cover the container with plastic wrap. Then just let it cool. If you've been watching this recipe so far, it means you're enjoying it, so rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can continue to make delicious recipes like this. Before eating this incredible dessert, let's cut it into smaller pieces. I'm sure you'll love it when you make this recipe at home. It's super simple and quick to make. This recipe is very versatile. You can change the ingredients I'm adding, or just add others that you like. After cutting it into smaller pieces, I will add some powdered milk on top of the dessert. The end result is a smooth, delicious, and extremely tasty dessert, with a perfect balance of ingredients capable of pleasing all palates. In addition to being extremely delicious and creamy, this dessert can be made with ingredients that you can easily find in any supermarket. And also share your favorite recipe in the comments. We want to know what secrets and tips you use to make your desserts even more special. I'm sure you'll love it when you make it at home. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time.